Okay guys, we're making bacon ranch potato salad. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, this definitely is not the knife. Okay, we're just gonna take our potatoes. We're gonna take about 2.5 pounds of potatoes, and we're just gonna dice them up. I've already peeled and washed these. And if it's like kind of a big potato, like this would only be a half of one. And these are russet gold potatoes. We're going to take about a teaspoon of salt. And about a half a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, I have 4 large eggs, and we're just going to take and put them right in our pan. I'm going to fill it with water, and we're going to boil them at the same time we're making our potatoes. So 4 boiled eggs. Okay guys, we are going to cook our bacon, and we're going to cook it in the oven. And I'm just using Smithfield bacon because it was the cheapest I could find at the grocery store. I'm just amazed at the prices at the grocery store. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to slice this up into little pieces. Then I can crumble it easy, and it'll cook pretty quick. I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. And we're going to cook it all, because we can use it for something else. This is a little bit more time consuming, but I think it's worth it. Let me wash my hands. Okay, our potatoes are boiling, our eggs are boiling, and our bacon is a-cooking. Okay guys, I have some dill pickles here. I have some Mount Olive kosher dills, and they are little. And we're just going to kind of like dice them up. We don't want great big chunks. We just want dice, and we don't want it to be like relish. We want to be able to taste the dill pickle. And I put about 8 little small ones in here. Half a cup of mayo. Let's put it right in. It does not take very long to make homemade potato salad, because when you use russet or gold potatoes, they cook really quick. So now we need a half a cup of sour cream. And we're just going to kind of stir it around. You can use Greek yogurt, a half a cup of Greek yogurt if you want, but you really need a half a cup of mayonnaise. But I think the sour cream gives it a little bit of twang. Now we're going to put in, this is the ranch salad dressing recipe mix. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. We'll start small. Oh wow. We'll put in a little bit of pickle juice. Let's put in about a tablespoon of pickle juice. Just a tablespoon. And if you decide to leave the pickles out, you can leave out the pickle juice. Or if you just want to add the pickle juice, it's up to you. Let's try this. That's so good. We have our eggs here. We're just going to chop them up. And you know I like my eggs fine. I don't like to bite into a big white yolk. I like it all to look the same. And I'm just going to use my little chopper. I just find that the chopper gives me the consistency that I want. Didn't take no time at all. Okay, we have our potatoes, And they are chunked. I know the last time I made potato salad, I made it my favorite way, and that's all mashed up. But this is my favorite way when they're not all mashed up. If that makes any sense. You guys, let me know in the comments, do you like your potatoes creamy, or do you like them in big chunks when you make potato salad? Just let me know. All right, we're going to let these cool also. We're going to let them cool right here. And we've got our dressing, and now we're going to add, we've got some other things to add. So this is mild cheddar cubed cheese. And I love the cubed cheese. So we're going to need probably, I'm going to say a cup. We're going to put a cup, and we're going to pop it. We're going to pop a cup right in here. I love the chunk. Okay guys, here's our bacon. I'm going to put it back in the oven. I just wanted to turn it. I'm going to put it back in the oven for maybe 4, maybe 5 minutes. That's it, so to get extra crispy. Okay guys, I have a little bit of fresh dill. I'm just going to take the scissors and just kind of chop it. I actually had forgot I had it in there. I think this is going to give it quite a bit of flavor. Okay, we've let our eggs cool. Now we're just going to put our eggs right in. That was 4 large eggs. It's almost like an egg salad. You could actually make this as an egg salad if you wanted to, but we're going to add them good old potatoes. That would be a great egg salad. Okay, we've let our potatoes cool. Now we're just going to make sure they were drained good. Now we're just going to fold them in, soak up all that sauce. We don't want them to be hot, just warm. Okay guys, we're going to taste this for seasoning. Definitely needs salt. Okay guys, this is our bacon here. Ooh, don't that look good? And one of you sent me this bacon. Look what it says. It's for bacon grease. And it's got a little strainer on top, and I do use it. I'm going to pour that grease right off, right in here. We don't waste all that good stuff. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take up all this really good bacon. Oh my gosh, it's so crispy. Do y'all hear it hit the plate? Oh my gosh. Okay, we got our bacon right here. And it is crumbly, and we don't need all of this bacon. We only need about half of it. We're going to make sure we chop it up a little bit. Even though I had already had it chopped up, we want it a little bit finer. Now we're just going to put it right in our potato. Okay, we do need a teaspoon of sugar. It's just going to bring out all the flavors. And probably another half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to put this in a little casserole dish because I'm going to need this. My little grandson is graduating from his little preschool. And so we're having a little get together. So I thought this would be perfect. I can't believe he is 5.5 years old. I just can't believe it. He was just born yesterday. We're going to kind of spruce this up a little bit. We're just going to put a little bit of cheese right on top. Take some of this crumbled bacon. We want this to be pretty. cheddar bacon ranch potato salad. Okay guys, we're gonna put this in our, we're gonna wrap it with some plastic wrap. We're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for, you know, till this afternoon, till we eat it. I wanna say thank you. You guys are awesome. You guys go, you're just the kindest, sweetest people on YouTube. You guys go, have a wonderful, wonderful day.